Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. As I'm doing cleaning up here in the shop, um, I started working on the car on the Kiwi here, and I was able to fix the rudder situation that I had, with the wheel and everything like that. I still have to do a couple little itty bitty things, but it's pretty fixed already. Um, it's set up right now. I'm just putting this one screw back in here. So as you can see in there, you can actually see that everything's hooked up, and it's just about to finish putting together the rest of the connectors. But I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. So yeah, that's already hooked up. And then since y'all are here, might as well, right? Still doing a lot of cleanup here on the desk, and yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. But I still need to get more right. Should. Anything else is hooked up. Probably. So all the other switches. Bear with me one, guys. Other switches. That big bird that I'm working on in the background. Don't mind it. It's something that I'm working on for somebody, for the club. Uh, that's it. That's it. Function. It's not right. Oh, there we go. Duh. Figure that one out. I had it hooked up wrong. I have it hooked up to number 7, and it's supposed to be hooked up to number 1, which is the problem. Plug it here. Now we're ready to go. Rumble. There we go. Down, up, right, left. Here we go, man. We're all set to go here. All right, guys. Just need to make sure that that is turning in the right direction. All right, so we'll continue to button this buddy up, and we'll get going on putting more things on her and get closer to a first flight. Now, I hope that this first flight is a lot better than the last first flight that we had with a bike. That one, I think I know what happened, is that the servos, I didn't change the servos out. I put old Futaba servos in, and they all froze, and the aircraft kept turning to the left. Also, the other thing is that I really did something really bad. I went on the assumption that the person that put the aircraft together did it correctly, and that was the biggest mistake. Never, when you buy an airplane, go through it, through the whole thing. Not only just cover it, but you got to do everything to it. So I will do that on the next when I start working on her again. So plane behind me is I believe it's a T-28 Carbon Z. I think it's the Carbon Z T-28 that E-Flight owned. The problem is they don't make the ESC for it anymore. It's got different connectors on it. I would like to try and get it started up so I can make sure everything works on it before I take it up to club to sale. So, other than that, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Automan Frank out.